Welcome to this geometry lesson on collinear points. In this video, we will explore what it means for points to lie on the same line and how to prove it mathematically. First, let us look at the definition. The word collinear comes from two parts: co, meaning together, and linear, meaning line. So, collinear points are simply three or more points that lie together on the same straight line. Here is a visual comparison. On the left, we see points that are aligned perfectly straight. These are collinear. On the right, the points are scattered and form a triangle. These are non-collinear because no single straight line can pass through all three at once. There are three ways to check for collinearity. The first is the distance rule. If point B is between A and C, then the distance from A to B plus the distance from B to C must equal the total distance from A to C. The second method involves slope. For points to be on the same line, the steepness of the line connecting them must remain constant. Therefore, the slope of the segment AB must be equal to the slope of the segment BC. The third method is using the area of a triangle. Since 3 points on a straight line cannot form a triangle, the area of the shape they form is effectively 0. Let us solve an example using coordinates. We have points at 1, 2, B at 2, 4, and C at 3, 6. By calculating the slopes, we see that both segments have a slope of 2. Since the slopes are equal, the points are collinear. We can see collinear points in the real world too. Think of beads threaded on a straight string, or a solar eclipse, where the sun, moon, and earth align in a straight line, a phenomenon known as syzygy. To summarize, points are collinear if they share a line. You can verify this by checking if their slopes are equal, if the segment distances add up, or if the triangle area formed by them is 0.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.